Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how much money do you need to get started with swing trading? How much money for $100 or $200 per day out of growth? So we're going to be breaking down this, so I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys are like, who is this guy? My name is Carter and I'm a full-time swing trader, and I have been for the past 6 years. We have exciting news. I just released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about how I find stocks, my strategies, my mindset. It's a one-stop shop for all of your swing trading needs, and we're doing a limited time offer for 20% off using code YouTube for the next 10 students. So if you guys want to sign up, focus on the education and learn how to trade, I have a course. Check it out. There's live streams, there's group chats. It's awesome. Link down below. All right, let's dive into this. So this is a very common question I get asked is, Carter, I have $100, I have $100,000. How much money do I need to get started with swing trading? And the thing is if you're thinking, how much money do I need to get started? You're already in the wrong approach. What I would recommend seeing you guys do and saying, Carter, I want to learn how to trade. How do I do it? Because honestly, money's irrelevant. And what I mean by this is I've seen people with $100 turn their account into $2 or $3 grand. Recently, I started a swing trading challenge. If you guys follow the channel, with $100, right now I'm sitting over $700 in profit, which is incredible. And I've been doing this for about 2 months with just this small account. So it's not about how much money you have, it's actually about the strategy. So if I just started swing trading and I wanted to get started with the education and the learning, first I would sign up with my course, but secondly, and more importantly, is actually use paper trading. Signing up with a broker like TD Ameritrade or Moomoo is a great way to get a general idea of what swing trading is, because you can practice. You can practice your entries, your exits, and your risk management skills. And I already know that people right now are saying, Carter, but it doesn't deal with emotion. You're right, but I want to see you guys focus on a strategy and then emotion. Once you guys get a general idea of what swing trading is, then you can start working on emotion, because emotion is very, very important when it comes with trading in the markets. But the thing is you can take $100 and put it in an account and just slowly grow it that way. I think that is a better approach than taking $2,000 or $3,000 or 20 grand, start swing trading and lose money. And the thing is if you have $100 in your account and you're making $1 or $2 a day, the only thing that's separating you from making $100 or $200 a day isn't the strategy because you're profitable. It's actually just your account size. Then what you do is you compound your profits, meaning you don't withdraw your money. So when you have $100 in your account and you're making $2 or $3 a day, whatever it is, whatever the type of trader you are and however much money you make, you leave it in there. And what this does is, if that's just say you take $100 and you turn it into $120, now you have $120 to grow an account. Then you can make $20. Now you have $140. Then you have $200. Then you have $250. Then $300. And it compounds on itself. The thing is if you have $100 expecting to make $100 a day, that's a recipe for disaster. But honestly, if you guys want to know the exact dollar amount, what I would recommend starting out with to make $100 a day, it's probably near and around $10,000 to $15,000. It's expensive. It's a job. It's not like a little hobby you do on the side. This is a career, and you have to treat it like one. It's like a doctor or an engineer. It takes years of practice and hard work, and swing trading is the exact same thing. And that's the best approach I would recommend. Use all your losses as learning opportunities, and just honestly start that process of education. The more you learn, the more you're going to earn. So check out my course down below. But having education is by far the most important thing that I would rather see focus on, rather than a certain dollar amount. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my swing trading course. 10 spots left for that code of YouTube. We'll see you guys later. Hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Take care.